Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Person. So hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive trendy collections only for you. So let me display very beautiful bright one, and this one very bright elegant looks, premium quality, pure organza base and full base part is checks design, golden zari fine checks with contrast color dye border and beautiful golden and silver zari weaving, hand weaving border design, Banarasi border organza Banarasi. This one border portions contrast color dye border with fine golden zari weaving Banarasi work border. Very smart elegant looks and full base part is premium quality organza and fine golden zari checks. And this one pallu portions contrast color dye pallu golden zari patch, very beautiful one and beautiful pom-pom design. And this one full base part, beautiful elegant color combinations, green shade, parrot green shade, full base part is golden zari checks. And this one is contrast color border and golden and silver zari weaving buta work. Very nice one, fine weaving design, silver zari weaving buta, full base part and base is organza and full border portions fine weaving design, golden and silver zari combined hand weaving work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very smart bright trendy looks, based for your party wear. And I will suggest this silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh bright looks. This one also very beautiful one, same material, premium quality organza base and full base part is golden zari checks, contrast red maroon red border and full border portions is golden and silver zari weaving design. This one full base part golden zari fine checks, and this one is contrast color border with fine hand weaving golden zari work border. And this one pallu portions contrast color dye pallu with golden zari stripes lines patch with stripes, very beautiful and beautiful one and full base part checks design, very elegant one. And this one is border portions contrast maroon shade dye border and golden and silver zari fine hand weaving heavy worked border. This portion is highlighted golden zari work and this portion is silver zari fine weaving buta work. Very nice one, trendy smart bright looks, based for your party wear wedding functions. Very nice on basis, pure organza premium quality. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full piece. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding trendy smart looks. And this one also beautiful one premium quality, very exclusive one also, premium quality pure handloom hand spun matka with resham stripes, full base part with silk mark also. And this one pure product, pure hand spun matka and pure resham silk stripes design, full base part. This one is full base hand spun matka with resham stripes, full base, very trendy smart looks, feather like soft premium quality with silk mark also. And this one pallu portions pure resham silk with beautiful hand weaving work, fully hand weaving work pallu, very smart elegant bright looks and beautiful color combinations also. And this portion is fine hand weaving design, and this one is pure resham silk with beautiful hand weaving work. And this one full base part matka, hand spun matka with resham stripes, very soft comfortable one, feather like soft, very nice one, trendy smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material buta work, Banarasi weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful one, same material premium quality pure handloom hand spun matka and beautiful color combinations, coffee brown shade silk sequin stripes design with beautiful bajni buta printed one. This one full base part premium quality pure handloom hand spun matka base, and these are resham stripes, pure resham silk stripes with silk sequin design, very nice one. And this one is full base part, very soft comfortable feather like soft soft, and full base part is beautiful Bathni Buta printed one. This one is full base part, very trendy smart looks, and this portion is silk sequin stripes design, pure resham silk stripes with sequin design. And this one, pallu portions, very beautiful one, pure resham silk pallu with sequin pocket, sequin stripes design with golden and silver zari weaving buta design, fully hand weaving buta, golden and silver zari work. And this one, beautiful beads designer pom pom work, very nice one, smart looks. This one is beautiful pom pom design. This one is pure resham silk base, and this one, full base part, very beautiful, bright, elegant look, soft, comfortable, feather like soft. And I will suggest this silk material heavy weaving work contrast blouse piece with this side for your outstanding fresh bright looks. And this one also, a beautiful one, pure handloom natural fabric, lane by lane purple shade with Banarasi weaving work, and base is natural fabric, lane by lane with golden zari weaving Banarasi work, very bright color combination. This one, full base part. This one is border portions, fine golden zari weaving, heavy worked border, fully hand weaving design. And this one, full base part, beautiful weaving buta design, very nice one, soft, comfortable, smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu portions, very beautiful one, golden zari fine weaving stripes pattern pallu, and full stripe and fully stripes are fully weaving stripes, very nice one, trendy, smart, bright looks. This one is full base part, natural fabric, lane by lane. This one is highlighted, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh bright looks. And this one also, very smart looks, silk linen material, pure handloom silk linen with fine golden and silver zari weaving work border, very smart, trendy looks, elegant also. This one, full base part. This one is full base part, very beautiful one. This one is border portions, golden and silver zari fine weaving design, contrast color dye border with golden and silver zari weaving design work border. And this one, full base part, silk linen material, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen. This one, pallu portions, contrast color dye pallu with golden and silver zari stripes and beautiful pom pom design, very smart looks. And this one, full base part, beautiful trendy one. And this one is border portions, highlighted contrast color dye border. And this one is full base part, very smart, elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding look, smart also. Also in a very beautiful one, silk linen material, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen, beautiful sky blue shade, golden zari border, and full pallu portions is fine weaving golden and silver zari buta work, very smart, bright, fresh looks. This one, golden zari border, and this one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen base, soft, comfortable one. And this one, pallu portions, fine weaving design, golden zari with weaving threaded weaving work, buta work pallu, and pallu in this beautiful pom pom design. And this one is, pallu portions, fine weaving design, very smart looks. And this one is full base part, plain with golden zari border, very trendy one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, silk linen material, beautiful smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright fresh looks. In a very beautiful bright color combinations, mirror design, batik printed one, and beautiful elegant color combination. This one, full base part, premium quality, pure handloom cotton slab material. This one is border portions, contrast color border, and full border portions, beautiful hand batik printed one with mirror design, silver zari border. And this one, pallu portions, very beautiful one, silver zari stripes with beautiful batik printed pallu with mirror design. Very trendy, smart look, soft, comfortable, summer friendly. And this one full base part, very beautiful, elegant, bright looks. This one is border portions, fully contrast color, mirror design, border with batik printed one, silver zari with batik printed border. And this one is full base part. This one running blouse piece. And this one is full base part, very beautiful, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, bright looks. And this one also very beautiful one, tissue layen material, golden zari border. I have sign silver base tissue layen golden zari border, and full base part is half portion is beautiful fine golden and silver zari weaving buta work, very soft, comfortable, shiny material, golden zari border. And this one pallu end highlighted golden zari fine stripes, and full base part is beautiful weaving buta design, golden and silver zari weaving buta, half portion is work, fully work. And this one full base part split section, this one is plain tissue layen silver sign, elegant color combinations, golden zari border. This one is running blouse piece, this one is full base part, and this one is work base part to pallu and this beautiful weaving buta. This one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, trendy, smart, bright looks. This one also beautiful one, pure muslin base and fully threaded weaving design, jamdani work, and border portion is fine stripes pattern, beautiful weaving border. This one full base part, fine hand weaving design, threaded weaving design border, fully hand weaving. And this one full base part, black base, muslin base, pure handloom. And these are jamdani buta, fully hand weaving jamdani buta, very soft, comfortable, smart looks, transparent, pure muslin with jamdani buta, fine weaving stripes pattern border. And this one pallu portions, very beautiful, fine hand weaving, heavy worked pallu. And this one is full base part, beautiful, smart one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, trendy and traditional looks. Very beautiful one and beautiful color combinations, also premium quality, pure handloom silk layen and fine weaving design border, golden zari weaving border, and fully self weaving border design, and full base part is golden zari checks, very nice one, elegant looks. This one border portions beautiful, fine golden zari self weaving border, and full base part is beautiful checks design, very trendy, smart looks. And this one pallu in beautiful fine stripes pattern pallu. And this one full base part, premium quality, pure handloom silk layen, very soft, comfortable, smart, elegant looks. This one is border portions, fine hand weaving, golden zari self weaving border. This one is running blouse piece. And this one full base part, very trendy, smart one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart looks. And this one also very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, fine layen by layen, 1 inch highlighted golden zari border. One portion is golden zari border and one portion is silver zari border, and full base part is golden and silver zari weaving buta work and beautiful color combinations. This portion is silver zari border. And this one full base part, beautiful golden and silver zari weaving buta. And this one is pallu portions, fine golden and silver zari weaving stripes work pallu. And this one full base part, very elegant, smart, bright looks, trendy one, very elegant looks. And full base part is beautiful golden and silver zari weaving buta. This one is running blouse piece. And this one full base part. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart looks. And this one also in a very beautiful one, and same material, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane, golden silver zari border, light yellow shade with silver zari weaving butta design, very smart one. This one full base part, fine one. This one is gold silver zari 1 inch highlighted border. And full base part is beautiful silver zari fine weaving butta work. And this one pallu portions, contrast color stripes with silver zari patch pallu. And this one full base part, beautiful one, fully silver zari fine weaving butta design, very smart elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, 21. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh looks. Then a very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom tissue lane with golden zari, golden with contrast color border highlighted, and in full base part is contrast color weaving checks. This one is golden base, premium quality, pure handloom tissue lane, and this one highlighted border, 1 inch golden zari with contrast color lines border. And this one full base part is weaving checks, very nice one, contrast color weaving checks. And this one full base part, beautiful one, have sign golden base shiny material. And this one pallu portions, beautiful golden zari with contrast color stripes pattern pallu. And this one full base part, very beautiful smart bright looks, best for your party wear. This one is full base golden base shiny material checks work. And this one is border, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is border portions are beautiful border and checks, very nice one, trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart bright looks. And this one also in a very beautiful one, natural fabric lane by lane, silver zari border, contrast piping, very smart elegant looks and beautiful color combinations. This one full base part, natural fabric lane by lane, silver zari border, contrast green piping, and full base part is fine silver zari checks pattern, full base part, and base is natural fabric lane by lane. This one is full base, this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fine silver zari stripes pattern pallu. And this one is full base part, very elegant smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright smart looks. And this one also beautiful one, beautiful bright color combination, silk material, handloom soft silk material with highlighted golden zari fine weaving stripes. This one full base part, this one is full base part, this one is border portions, fine golden zari stripes weaving stripes border. And this one pallu portions, golden zari fine stripes pattern pallu. And this one is full base part, very soft comfortable smart looks. And this one is full base and golden zari stripes pattern border. This one is full base part, very beautiful one, bright color, bright red shade. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very beautiful smart one. And I will suggest this silk material golden shade weaving butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright smart looks, gorgeous also. It's in a very beautiful one and soft silk cotton material, premium quality, golden zari border, pure handloom one with beautiful weaving golden zari weaving butta work, and very soft comfortable base for your office wear. This one full base part, and full base part fine structure weaving design, self weaving structure design. This one is golden zari border, and full base part is silk cotton material. And this one is pallu portions, golden zari fine stripes pallu, and border portions is golden zari fine weaving butta design, very smart elegant looks. This one is full base part, this one is border portions, golden zari fine weaving butta, and this one golden zari border, and this one is butta work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very smart elegant trendy look, soft comfortable summer friendly. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. This one also, a very beautiful one, based for your party wear. Pure muslin jamdani, fully hand weaving jamdani and beautiful color combinations, golden zari border, contrast piping. And this one, full base part, beautiful color combinations, golden zari, premium quality, soft golden zari border and full border portions, beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. This one is border, and this one, full base part, beautiful golden zari weaving polka design, very soft, comfortable, transparent material, pure muslin. And this one, pallu portions, beautiful hand weaving jamdani work pallu, heavy worked pallu. And this one is beautiful sequin stripes pallu end. And this one, full base part, very smart, elegant looks. This one is full base. This one is border portions, fine hand weaving jamdani work, golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful weaving polka design, very smart, elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh traditional looks. And this one also, very beautiful one, based for your party wear, wedding functions, pure reshmi silk with Banarasi work and beautiful color combinations, contrast color, dye border. And this one is full base part, based for your party wear. This one is full base. This one is border portions, contrast color, dye border with fine Banarasi weaving design. And this one is full base part, very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom reshmi silk Banarasi. This one, contrast color, pallu with fine Banarasi weaving, heavy work with beautiful pom-pom design and bouquet work, running blouse piece. And this one, border portions, very beautiful color combinations. This one is border, contrast color, dye with heavy Banarasi weaving, heavy worked border. And this one, full base part, beautiful one, pure reshmi silk with Banarasi work and beautiful color combinations. Have sign also, bouquet work, running blouse piece. And this one is full base part, exclusive, outstanding, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, outstanding party looks. Also, very beautiful one, pure reshmi silk Banarasi, beautiful color combinations, very soft sober color and with beautiful fine weaving, golden zari weaving, butta work, Banarasi butta, heavy work. This one, full base part, elegant color combinations, beautiful one. Have sign also, signing material, pure reshmi silk. This one is border portions, fine golden zari, fine weaving Banarasi work border. And this one, pallu portions, beautiful fine golden zari, heavy weaving Banarasi work pallu with beautiful pom-pom design. And this one, full base part, very soft, comfortable, smart looks, based for your party wear and beautiful color. This one, border portions, fine golden zari weaving design, heavy worked border and Banarasi border. And this one is full base part, weaving butta design. This one is running blouse piece, fully bouquet work. And this one, full base part, beautiful, elegant, bright, gorgeous looks, based for your party wear, wedding functions, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. This one also, very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lien by lien, silver zari border and full base part is beautiful hand batik printed one and very elegant color combinations, based for your office wear, very smart looks. This one, natural fabric, lien by lien, silver zari border and full base part is beautiful hand batik printed one. This one is upper, this portion is upper base part, and this one, split section. This one is pleats, very smart, elegant looks. This one is pleats, this one is running blouse piece, this one is upper base part, and this one, pallu and silver zari stripes with beautiful hand batik printed floral types. Batik printed pallu, very nice one, very soft, comfortable, summer friendly, natural fabric, lien by lien. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, trendy looks, daily looks. And today I have draped a very smart look saree, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane, beautiful color combinations. This one is full base part is plain, and this one is contrast color dye pallu with beautiful stripes pattern, stripes with checks pattern, golden zari stripes with self weaving contrast black checks, full border portions, very smart trendy looks and soft comfortable obviously. And this one, pallu also very beautiful one, golden zari fine stripes pattern pallu, contrast color dye with stripes work, very nice one. And this one is beautiful pom pom design, very soft comfortable premium quality, pure handloom, fine layer by layer, beautiful saree with beautiful jewelry. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.